In this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can delete a comment on YouTube. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So guys, this is a super simple thing to do. The first thing you'll need to go ahead and do is open up your YouTube app. And then once you've done that, what you need to do is come over to your channel and then go ahead and find the video where you want to delete the comment. So for example, if I go to my most recent videos and click on my most recent video here, as you can see, there's a couple of comments on my comment section, and for example, I've just left a comment on my comment. So what I need to do if I want to go ahead and delete this is click on the three dots in the bottom right corner, and then go ahead and select delete. And then as you can see, this little pop-up will come up and delete your comment permanently, so you can click on delete to confirm it. And this also works for people that have commented on your channel. So if I click on the three dots in the bottom right corner of this one here, as you can see, there's an option there for remove. So if you want to go ahead and remove the comment, all you need to do is simply click on remove, and then the comment will be removed from the channel permanently. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please don't leave a like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.